Hello children, this is your online class of SST. Welcome to this class. Today we will discuss chapter 9, the temperate grasslands. The grasslands are the largest green pastures on earth. This region is located away from the equator, between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. The grasslands are known by different names in different parts of the world. They are called pampas in South America, prairies in North America, veld in South Africa, steppes in Russia, savanna in Central Africa. Climate. टेम्परेट ग्रासलैंड्स में टेम्परेचर में बहुत डिफरेंस है. समर में यहाँ का टेम्परेचर 38 डिग्री सेल्सियस से भी ऊपर पहुँच जाता है, जबकि विंटर में टेम्परेचर 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस से भी नीचे गिर जाता है. द टेम्परेट ग्रासलैंड्स एक्सपीरियंस मॉडरेट रेनफॉल. द स्नोफॉल इन विंटर helps the grasslands in retaining moisture of the soil. Vegetation. As the name suggests, temperate grasslands. So grasses are the dominant vegetation of the temperate grasslands. Grasses vary according to length, season and variety. In spring, the grass is fresh and green. In summer, it turns brown. By autumn, it turns dry and it finally dies in winter. Many types of grasses like blue grama grass, buffalo grass, Johnson grass, etc. are dominant in the grasslands. Flowers like asters, blazing stars, cornflowers, etc. are also found in these regions. Wildlife. Children, you know very well that many types of grasses are dominant in the grasslands. So, a large variety of grazing animals are found in the grasslands. Many types of animals live here like zebra, rhinoceros, wild horse, lion, wolf, prairie dog, jackrabbit, deer, mice, fox, etc. इनमें से मोस्टली एनिमल्स को आप जानते हो, आपने देखा होगा, जू में देखा होगा. जिन एनिमल्स को आप नहीं जानते, चलिए उनसे मैं मिलवाती हूँ. दिस इज बाइसन एंड दीज आर गैजल्स. दिस इज coyotes. This is skunk and this is baju. These animals are also found in these regions. Many birds also live here. Known birds हैं sparrow, hawk, owl, blackbird, etc. और जो unknown birds हैं आपके लिए वो हैं grouse, meadowlark, quail. These are also found in these regions. टेम्परेट ग्रासलैंड्स में नेचुरल फोडर काफ़ी अधिक मात्रा में पाया जाता है. इसके साथ ही यहाँ की सॉइल भी रिच और फर्टाइल है, जिसके कारण एनिमल्स को पालना आसान हो जाता है। यहाँ पर एनिमल्स मिल्क और मीट के लिए पाले जाते हैं। वर्ल्ड के बिगेस्ट फूड बाउल्स में से प्रेरीज भी एक है। वीट, बार्ले, ओट्स और कॉर्न की यहाँ पर पैदावार होती है। Completely mechanized individual agriculture farms are spread over hundreds of acres. Livestock rearing is an important commercial activity. The surplus fodder in the form of grass and the stalks of wheat and other crops makes it very convenient to raise the cattle here. One of the common sight in the grasslands is cowboys on horsebacks. In South America, the cowboys are called gauchos and the farms are called estancias. Okay children, clear? We have completed this chapter. Bye bye, take care.